Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about a map to goal setting.
So I'm going to let Jessica talk quite a bit about this. My ideal of goal setting, I look pretty far out in the future as far as my goals, more of like my 5 to 10 year plan. I have less of a plan right now at the immediate time frame, but Jessica, she's pretty good at charting things out and, kind of mapping out how that actually looks in realistic numbers. A lot of times I will say, okay, I'm going to have 1 billion subscribers, and then Jess, she'll do calculations and say, well, Roy, you're going to have to do a lot better than you are right now. So my goals necessarily aren't quite factual sometimes right now in the immediate. It's in support of where I want to eventually be. So it lets you take and talk a little bit about some goal setting here.
Yeah, I am very analytical, and I like working with the data and like trying to project and things like that. But in some cases, you're starting from scratch. You don't have any numbers to go off of. You have a big dream and you want to make that into goals for yourself so that you can move forward and reach it, at a certain time. So I guess the first thing is like knowing what the end is for you. Like what's your race? Where are you trying to get to? So when you have that goal or that end point that you're trying to get to, you can break it down into smaller steps that it would take to get there. And
that's like month by month, week by week, even day by day if you need to, just so you feel like you have movement towards those goals.
Yeah, so the other part of setting a goal is that you need to also set a time frame which you want it to happen, because you can say, oh, I want to build my own log cabin, one day, but if you don't actually set a time frame that you'd like to see that happen, then you may never get around to it.
You'll be a very old man or old woman before that happens. So
yeah, so you've got to put the time frame on there so that you can start thinking, okay, how long will it take me to lay the foundation? How long will it take me to put up the walls, the roof, to decorate it? All the different steps involved. So if you're trying to set a goal for something that's perhaps a year away, then you can break it down into 12 smaller steps, one that you could do each month. And then if necessary, you could even break each of those little ones into like a weekly goal.
Yep. And just to put a spin on that for blacksmithing personally, that can be everything from goals can be big financial goals, they could be spiritual goals, they could be, they could be just technique goals, just learning a new technique and, learning a new ability. Set yourself some goals heading forward.
Yep.
So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We hope you guys enjoyed it.
Thanks for watching.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.